Opening scene. The Asphalt Hunter 2025 revving up, with a wide-angle view of the bike on an open road. Text on screen. Thunder Wheels presents Asphalt Hunter 2025. Cut to action shots of the bike speeding down a scenic highway. Text on screen. Subscribe to Thunder Wheels for the latest in biking. Scene transition. Close-up of the bike's sleek design, focusing on its aggressive lines and futuristic details. Text on screen. Bold. Powerful. Dynamic. Quick cuts showcasing the LED headlights, aerodynamic body, and premium alloy frame. Text on screen. Designed to conquer every road. Scene transition. The bike accelerating, showing off its performance on a straight road. Text on screen. 1200cc engine, top speed, 220 km/h torque, 130 Nm. Side shot of the tires gripping the asphalt, followed by a cornering shot. Text on screen. Precision handling and unmatched traction. Scene transition. A montage of the digital dashboard, ride modes, and adaptive lighting system. Text on screen. Advanced technology at your fingertips. Close-up of the dashboard displaying speed, navigation, and ride mode settings. Text on screen. Smart connectivity and digital controls. Scene transition. Rider comfortably cruising through city streets and rugged terrain. Text on screen. Ergonomic design for maximum comfort. Shots of the suspension absorbing bumps and the ABS braking in action. Text on screen. Built for safety and smooth rides. Wide-angle shot of the bike parked on a scenic hilltop with the sun setting in the background. Text on screen. Asphalt Hunter 2025, the ultimate riding machine. Closing scene. The bike roaring to life and riding off into the horizon. Text on screen. Subscribe to Thunder Wheels for more bike reviews and adventures. Text on screen. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. End screen. Thunder Wheels logo with subscribe, like, and comment icons visible.